and say goodbye.
Bye bye. Come here, Mom. Let's go. Welcome. Wow, the room is really small. Hello. Welcome to Yotel. This is a very splendid room. That is just a room. You come in from the door and you turn around. This is the room on the bed. It's really small and well, it's cute, but I mean, it's quite small. But okay, I think it's good enough. So when you come in, right, then the bed is here, and then you just have the basin here already. So if you are quite mindful of like, you know, water splattering around, then you gotta be careful. They have some care pack. Oh, and they give us hand sanitizer and wet wipes, toothbrush. Yeah, okay, which is not too bad. I forgot to bring my toothbrush. I mean toothpaste. You got toothpaste? So we have to request for more toothpaste, and then the little robot called Yoshi and Yolanda will bring it up to us. So let's see whether it's Yoshi or Yolanda. Ta-da! It's very interesting. So if you want to see the view, come in. This is the shower room. So this is where you shower. The rain shower, and there's this thing. As usual, they have conditioner, hair wash, and like, you know, body cleanser, but I use my own one, so yeah. Oh. So that means if your friend wants to bangsai, she cannot bangsai while you are showering. So if you want to shower, she cannot bangsai. So that's about it. Yeah. Cute toilet bowl. As you can see, the room is very small, and then we come in, and then, you know, the luggage is there already, so we have not much space. Later we'll try the bed. You know, you can go up and go down, and then they have a safe here. Safe. So you can put your valuables. And there's a mini fridge. So they have a small kettle here. We can boil water and eat our cup noodles. Oh wow! We have. Is this a chair? As you can see, the space is limited. Okay, and this place, oh my god, it's a secret compartment. We actually have an umbrella. And what do we have here? Ironing board. You iron your clothes, right? Cannot come out. Be gentle, be gentle. So they have this is a no message bottle. I'm not sure why do you need a message, but it's cute. It's a no message bottle. And there's a can opener here, so if you want to drink and you want to, you know, you can use this. Quite interesting. They ask you to take a walk and leave footprints. So this is their, you know, bedroom slippers. That's about it. We're gonna go enjoy, and we're gonna unpack the luggage already. Bye bye! Couple couple! Say something. Bye! Say another. Bye!
Open your cabin door to meet me. Hello, your friendly neighborhood robot is here.
The robot is here.
An offer you can't refuse.
Hi! It's Yolanda!
Oh wow. Bye bye. Oh, tap the button. Thank you.
There is no charge for awesomeness or attractiveness.
So long, farewell, afraid to say goodbye. I leave and keep a sigh and say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay. Are you gonna leave or not? Okay. Bye. So when you press, don't let go ah. If not we'll be stuck ah. Huh?
Oops, my hand slipped.
Sure.